Your LG dryer emits little to low noise if used properly, but there are some factors that can cause your dryer to be noisy at times. In this video, we will show you how to reduce the amount of noise you might hear coming from your unit. During the drying cycle, you'll notice certain clicking noises coming from the drum of the dryer. This could be caused by metal and clothing, mainly zippers and buttons hitting against the surface of the drum. Prior to drying these items, please make sure to zip up and/or button loose clothing and flip them inside out, not only to help protect your garment zippers and buttons, but to help decrease the clicking noise during the drying cycle. If you are drying garments that have no zippers or buttons and still hear a slight clicking noise, you may be noticing the operation of electric relays in your dryer. Most likely, you will rarely hear this sound, but if you do, it is completely normal and indicates that your dryer is operating normally. Finally, if you own an LG steam dryer that requires a physical external water supply, you may hear some noise from your water source as water enters the dryer steam generator. Keep the noise level to a minimum by following these tips to ensure a quiet and comfortable laundry experience. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.